Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Happn Account from your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To delete your Happn account from a mobile device, tap open your Happn application first and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the main homepage of Happn Account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. From My Account tab, tap on App Settings. From the App Settings page, scroll all the way down and tap on My Data. From the options displayed, tap on Delete My Account, and now it'll show you this interface. You can choose one of the options between pause your account or delete your account. If you want a temporary getaway from the Happn account, you can tap on pause your account, or if you'd like to delete it altogether, tap on delete your account at the bottom. Go ahead and select one of the region where you are leaving and tap on yes, I'm done at the bottom. And that way you'll be able to delete your Happn account. That is how you can easily delete Happn account with your mobile device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.